Hey there! Etsy shows you revenue. It doesn't show you what you actually kept after fees, shipping, and cost of goods. This tracker does. Let me walk you through it. The dashboard opens with the numbers that matter: total revenue, total Etsy fees, shipping, cost of goods, net profit, profit margin, order count, and average profit per order. Underneath, a full fee breakdown so you can see exactly where the money goes. The order log is where it all starts. Every order with item price, quantity, shipping cost, and your cost of goods. And it calculates each Etsy fee for you: transaction fee, processing fee, listing fee, offsite ads, and the total. The listing tracker works at the product level: views, favorites, total sales, revenue, and a conversion rate per listing. So you can tell a listing that gets traffic and doesn't sell from one nobody ever sees. The monthly P&L rolls everything into a 12-month statement, so seasonality stops being a surprise. Etsy Ads tracks your paid spend properly: budget, spend, impressions, clicks, click-through rate, orders, and revenue from ads, with ROAS and cost per click worked out for you. Star Seller mirrors Etsy's own scorecard: message response rate, on-time shipping, 5-star rating, minimum orders and revenue, each against Etsy's threshold with a status flag. Inventory tracks supplies with unit cost, quantity on hand, a reorder point, and an automatic reorder status. Tax Prep splits your year into quarters with gross sales, shipping income, and total income, ready for your quarterly filing. And Keyword SEO records the tags on each listing against search impressions, clicks, and search click-through rate, so you can tell which tags are doing real work. That's the Etsy Seller Business Tracker. Excel and Google Sheets, and the link is below.